In today's video, I'll teach you how to add music bots to Discord server. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in discord.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Discord. Click on this option, open Discord. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Click on the server where you want to add the bot. Now after you do that, that particular server will be opened. Right over here, you'll be able to find the server name. Click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find this option for server settings and click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the server settings. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Under the section for apps, you'll be able to find this option for app directory. Click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the app directory interface. From here, you'll be able to add the apps. What you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see right over here. Now simply search for the specific music bot. For example, here I'm just going to search for the green bot. Now press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find the search results over here. Simply click on the music bot that you want to add. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various information regarding that app over here. Click on this option, add app, that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You'll have to scroll down, read all the information. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to find the section for add to server. What you have to do is select a server, simply click on this field. Now click on the server of your choice. Now click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to confirm these informations. That particular application will be granted these permissions. If you do not want to grant a specific permission, you can also uncheck the box if you want. After you do that, click on this option, authorize, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, green bot has been authorized and added to your server. Click on this option, go to server. Now after you do that, in that particular server, you can see over here that particular music bot has been added. So like this, you'll be able to add it. So that is how you add music bot to the Discord server. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.